Today we'll be creating a static WordPress site using the FLATsite Static Site Generator. After sign-in, you are directed to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you could see your websites, servers, and users you add, and you can manage them by clicking the buttons. On the navbar, local websites is to all the websites, while administration is for the admins to edit servers, users, and teams. Click on Users to create users. In this setup, we've chosen to have only one super admin who can do both website editing and live deployments. This works great in smaller organizations. Add name of the admin, email. Select admin as role, and then enter password. Then click Save. If you're working in a larger organization, you probably want your editors or admins limited to perform certain functions. For instance, your editors can be restricted to contribute only new posts, and only the admin can publish the new site and approve updates. Let's start by creating a connection to the external server where the site will be published once finished. Click View Servers. Click Create Server. Then add name, protocol, hostname, port, path. Then enter your credentials. Then click Save. Now you see your server's configuration. You can also test the connection through Test Connection button. Next, we're going to create a WordPress instance on the FLATsite platform. Click View Website. Then click Create Website. You can link the publishing server to your website. Once you deploy your website, it'll be pushed to the server via FTP or SFTP. Add the name of your website or project here. Add the URL of the site here as soon as it's published. Now we'll select our preferred WordPress language and localization. We'll go with English in this example, but we have over 135 languages available for you to choose from. Here is the standalone page option. You can choose specific standalone files like CSS, JS, or WordPress pages that you want to export outside the WordPress system. Go ahead and press Save. The WordPress site will generate onto your FLATsite instance. At this stage, you'll be redirected to the website you just created. You can click FLATsite or Local Websites to see the WordPress site you just added and start editing your WordPress site right away. Click Backend and you can create new pages or make any changes on the existing pages on WordPress. Now let's create a new page. It's just like on WordPress. After building your page, go back to the FLATsite admin of your instance and choose Export. Enter a description of your changes. This way, you can keep track of every update. Once the site is exported, it creates a static version locally so you can preview it before pushing it to the live website. If you find any mistakes after the export, you can fix it and export it again until you have your desired result. Now let's approve the update and test the connection. We need to make sure the FTP is connected to FLATsite. Finally, it's time to deploy the website to publish it online. Press Deploy. Now the site is online, and you can check the live website. It's that easy.